Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. So today I'm bringing you guys a tutorial. That's right. I'm going to show you guys how to do and create that viral They Not Like Us craft. Now I know you've been seeing it everywhere. You probably want to learn how to do it. I'm going to show you guys an easy way to do it, and I think you might be able to make your own. So with that being said, for this project, you want to learn how to do the viral They Not Like Us image? Then all you got to do is stick around. Okay, y'all, let's get into this They Not Like Us viral trending image you've been seeing everywhere. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go into your Canva and you're going to go to create a design. So we're going to create this from scratch, y'all. And then you're going to use a YouTube thumbnail as your workspace. And now that we got our workspace together, the next thing you're going to be doing, and I'm going to be saying next a lot, so don't come for me in my comments saying, girl, you said next about 10 times. Yes, because it's going to be the next step and the next step. So let's get through this. That was the first step. So the next step is going to be to go to your elements, and then you're going to type which image you want. So I'm going to go with bulldogs. Let's see. And I'm going to show you guys the one I use. So we're going to go here. You're going to go see all. You have to make sure it's under graphics. And I chose this one. Now this is a pro image. I have the Canva Pro. Pro images, if you have Canva Pro, you already know that you can't just download it by itself. It's going to need something else on there to download. I don't know why, that's just the way Canva has it. So this is a pro image. If you don't use a pro image, you won't need to add an additional element on your screen. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what that means in a few minutes. So now, I don't know why I chose this. It just spoke to me. I was like, okay, I could do something with this. And we're going to flip it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what that means by that. We're going to flip the They Not Like Us and change it up a little bit to something I think you guys are like. All right, so now that we have our graphic image together, I'm going to just make this a little bigger so you can see it while we're working on it. And now I'm going to go ahead and change my background. So my background right now is white. I'm going to click on the background space, go up to here to change the background color. And I'm going to still keep a color that's within I'm going to try to, blend in with the colors of our little mascot dog here. So I'm just going to go with something simple. I like this. This is a nice color. Maybe I'll brighten it up. You know what? I don't want to make it too complicated for y'all because we just learning how to do this. And like I said, once you learn how to do this, you can go ahead and add your sports teams, whatever you want. You're going to have to get comfortable with it, but you play around with it enough, and then you're going to go in and let your creative juices flow. Okay, so we're going to go with this orange for our background for the graphic. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and edit my dog. So I'm going to highlight and edit, highlight, and then go to edit image. And now I'm going to crop him. So I'm going to go to crop, and I'm going to crop from left to right. So I'm going to get him, get him in the middle, which is about there, right? Now that I like what that's looking like, we're going to slide him over to the left. And next, this is what I mean. This is a pro image, so if I wanted to download this just like you see it here, it won't do it. So now I have to add a little something else on here. So I'm just going to put a little circle. And again, this is the way I learned how to do it, you guys. I don't think there's any wrong way to do this. It's just what's easiest for you to figure out and comprehend. I'm just going to make a little small circle. We're going to put this circle down here in the corner. For some reason, these premium images, they need something else. So now that we got this together, we're going to go ahead and we're going to download this first image. So you're going to go to share. You're going to go to download. I'm going to name it so I know what I'm looking for. DWG. I'm going to name it dog. DAWG. Alright, here we go. And now we're going to go back to share. We're going to download. I'm going to download it as a PNG. Make sure none of these boxes are clicked. You want them all free. And now we're going to go ahead, download this. It's going to ask me to save if I want to save this in a second. Yes, I want to save it as a PNG file. We're going to go ahead and click save. And now it's completed and it's uploaded. The next step is going to be you're going to add a page. Right now we already know we're adding a page, so it's going to be the same duplicated page that we have minus our graphics. So we added our page, and the next step after that is going to be to go to your uploads, and we're going to upload that file we just saved. So here it is, dog. We're going to go open, and we're going to upload it into our Canva. Here we go. As you can see, it's loading right there. Right? Now we're going to get to the fun part. Here's where we're going to put them words in. So you already have that second page we opened, right? I'm going to add it to that page. And then I'm going to delete. Not delete, y'all. I'm going to change the background color to white. But we're keeping it. Make sure you keep it clicked and lined on the, make sure it's lined. Make sure your image is still highlighted. I'm sorry, y'all. Ooh, moving around. Okay, we make sure our image is still highlighted here. All right, the next step is going to be to go to your apps, and you're going to go to font frame. This is what we want. Now we have that set up, and here's our words. Now, I'm not doing They Look Like Us. I decided to change it a little bit, and I am going to do capital letters. No, you don't need capital, because we're going to change the font in a second. I'm going to do who let, oh yes, we do need capital. Sorry, y'all. Who let the dogs out? I don't know. Call me whatever. It's just, I already told you guys, my brain is always just on overdrive. So we're going to flip this to who let the dogs out, right? Next, you're going to go to your settings. We're going to change the font to the Anton font. Now, I've messed with a lot of fonts in here, but this really is the best font to use for this image. So we're going to change it to Anton. Next, you're going to go ahead and change your outline thickness to 0. You're going to change your letter spacing to 8. And then you're going to change your line spacing to 0.95. Don't forget that 0 in front, y'all. 0.95. Right? Y'all like it? Y'all get what I'm putting down? Finally, we're going to align it. And I'm going to go back to my image and text. And here's the magic, y'all. You ready? We're going to click use selected image. And then you got it. You see how it populated, moved to the left. It picked up everything we put down in this little image right here. Now you're going to scale your dog. I'm going to scale it just so that when you scale it, that means how much of your image you want in it. So this is good. I like that. Okay, I like this. What do you think? Right? Now, some people will add another page. I'm not going to add another page because I just didn't want to have too many pages open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my page. So I'm going to add to design. And now here we go. We're going to go ahead and make this bigger. Right? So we know what we're working with. Y'all see what we're working with, right? We're going to go ahead and make it bigger. And now I'm going to go back to my elements. I'm going to pick up that graphic again, which is our dog right here, which is still showing. And I'm going to go ahead and line them up. So I'm going to size them up, which is really almost like there's not a lot to do. Sizing them up here, as you can see. Right? Yeah, y'all see how it's coming together? Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on my little image, my dog. I'm going to edit him. And I'm going to crop him. And now I'm going to slide him from right to left. And boom. There y'all have it. Y'all seen how I did that? It wasn't too complicated. Hopefully you guys learned how to do the They Not Like Us viral trending image. Technical word for it would be like, I've seen it say half face typography, a Canva split image. Either way, I hope you guys got it. As you can see, this is all you're going to do, and now you have your image. Next thing, you want to make sure that when you download this image, you make sure that it's transparent. If you don't download it as a transparent image, it's going to pick up this white border behind it. It's going to pick up this white spacing, so it'll download just like you see it. So you want to make sure you download it and click on transparent. So you would, if we were downloading it now, we would go download. We work with 2 pages, right? So we only want the page that we were just working with, which is this one. We're going to take off the first page. We only want the current page. You're going to click transparent, and we're going to download it. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like just to make sure that it downloaded correctly. I got to put something on the end because I already have that file name. Now, y'all can go ahead and go to your uploads. You're going to upload what we just put down, which is dogs. Oh, see, I didn't hit transparent. That's exactly what I was trying to tell y'all. So you see how I didn't hit transparent on here? You're going to know it's transparent when you have the black and white checkerboard. So let me go back again. See? Plays mess up too. Alright, so we're going to go share. We're going to go download. We're going to go transparent. I'm only working with the page I just did. And now we're going to go done. Download it again. Dogs 2. I'm going to replace the one I just did. Let's see. I'll just do this. I'll just name it anything. And now, alright. So now let's see. Uploads. Upload file. And there we go. Now you know it's right because you got that black and white checkerboard. And we're going to go ahead and put it here. Well, I'll put it there, but I'll drag it down here. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out what I got going around in the closet. And be well, my friends. I'm going to put this on a shirt, so y'all stick around to the end to see what it looks like. And probably won't put this one on the shirt, but I'll put something else on the shirt. Either way, I'm going to show y'all what this thing looks like on the shirt. Take it easy, y'all.